Shubor nakaslem jong unongsan Hima.
Laban Bengalee Boys Higher Secondary School Shillong, Kalawan haka kerdan ke Beningkong, bat ka baar haka top top 10 haka liang ke Science Stream, kat baka St. Anthony's Higher Secondary School, bat ka St. Edmunds Higher Secondary School Shillong, Kilawan haka kerdan ke Beningkong, bat ka baar haka top top 10 haka liang ke Commerce Stream, haka result jong ke Higher Secondary School Living Certificate, balapan benada ke Bengalee Board of School Education, haka arpun riu terik ubenai jemang arhajar arpuar. Ki arngot ki khana jong Laban Bengalee Boys Higher Secondary School Shillong, ki balawan haka kerdan ke Beningkong, bat ka baar haka Science Stream, ki kentub yu Ganesh Roy Bhomik, ubalayo South Pa Andripo Khandai Marks, bat urishi Sarkar, ubalayo South Pa Andripo Marks.
Very much happy. First of all, I would like to congratulate each and everyone who has got his result today. And second, I am very much thankful to my Almighty for keeping both of us safe and healthy throughout this period of our preparation. I cannot forget my parents, obviously, they are the most important part. Without them, I wouldn't have been there. And of course, my teachers. Whatever we have done today, this is the outcome of our teachers' hard work. I'm very much blessed to be in this institution because I was never said no here. I could approach my teacher at any moment of the day. They never said me no. They helped me in every possible way. I'd say. Not just me as well, he as well. So just feeling very much blessed, happy. See, securing a position is difficult and it's also a matter of luck. We were very much lucky that we did it in first attempt only. Yes, hard work is important, but more than hard work, I'll say proper strategy is important. You have to plan everything very much.
First of all, you have to study. That's the main thing. Without studying, you cannot expect a position. You have to plan the studying. You cannot just sit down and study for 10 hours. You need to plan it actually, subject-wise. Everything you have to plan it.
How much time you must give to a
Obviously, you have to give hard work. Without hard work, you cannot do it. In the process, you will come across failures also. And that's the part of it.
More than that, I feel that if I can make a change to the society, I can add some value to the society, that would be much more valuable for me. Because at least when I am not here, they will remember me. There are many ways where we can serve the society. Maybe by selling a product which is important for the masses, for the millions. Like that's how. Or maybe doing some social service. But first of all, the aim is to reach a position where everyone recognizes you, where I am considered to be important. I am very much fascinated with chemistry. I love it. So I want to do something in that field. Let's see what happens. This was just the beginning. We have many more things to do, more things to achieve. If I say anything for my juniors, it would be those who just passed their SSLC, will pass their SSLC. First of all, make a right choice of, you must be clear which institution you have to take admission in. Don't just go by names, but see the faculties first. Second is, I'll tell that 3 things are important for me. First is your planning, then proper execution. There are people who plan but they cannot execute it properly, so that's pointless. So proper execution, and ultimately I'll say performance, because I have seen many good students who cannot perform well in their exams. They have prepared well but they cannot perform, maybe because of anxiety or stress. But performance is very much important, because ultimately what the society recognizes is your result. It's not your hard work that you put in. I've used my own strategy. It was never like get up at 6 and start study for 10 hours, 12 hours. It was not like that. Every topper has his own strategy. I would recommend my juniors that don't ever try to copy any topper, because then you'll fail miserably. I'll say that be inspired by them, because copying someone you cannot reach anywhere. Everyone has his own way of doing things, right? So please be inspired but never copy. If we just consider our self-study, when classes were on, school was on, tuitions were on, maybe around 4 to 5 hours a day, like serious study. Okay, that's very much important. Not just we are not like just sitting open with a book open. It was not like that. It was serious study for 4 to 5 hours, and when vacations were on maybe 8-9 hours.
Katba Kariya Kharpran Joka St. Anthony's Higher Secondary School Shillong, Kabalawan Hakakardan Kabaningkong Kalayo South Pa and Ripo Saumax, Bat KM Marine Kharpran, Jonka St. Edmunds Higher Secondary School Shillong, Bat Uke Chef Agarwal, Jonka Don Bosco College Tura, Kilayo Mar South Pa and Ripo Armax, Hakaliangka Kama Stream.
Yung ada Ria Kharpran. Nakerteng Eliona Banyada Nongrum.
Perteng Abman Kiwa.
First of all, I'm thankful to God. Baila I got in first position, obviously, ka meaningful haringa. Secondly, parents, my dad, mom, brother, help dengan man ko po encourage nga. But thirdly, teachers, principal, magitu ngilawan po in position. Man ko po ki always help, not ki help, but ki help ini. Kata thank you. Firstly, I would like to thank God for always being there with me. Yung ba ay ka med kapal kaya nga Laban complete yung exams. Secondly, may pa kiba encourage nga kiba inspire nga bangan pulikot mo. Thirdly, for the principal ba kinoy kay kiba layarap ingi wat la ni de kibatch jong ka ni pandemic group ki send notes ini ling bagi videos ni dan live classes ki batai ni dingi dan ki problems root ki harap bet yangi
Kong yang ngoban ay mo yu bulay marang dan kat pat nga haman si pat kumsuru agis ni la ino aru dan kat mga akijing dan jat jing aru dan ngapa ban semua ri mai pa marba kila yarap dia nga man si kumsuru ki kai principal marka ki ai jing kai ba pura marka ba satunar ma te semua ki perlu ba yai ai mensi nga ba nang le basu
Kaya ka tong jupi na ni mat jupi.
first ngan ngan let me become college come to ngan sa mas chartered accountant. First of all the kalong jinjar ha ba ne ba covid batch 11 ro ki kami classes bharang 2 months and 1 month ta jinjar he 12 ro kalong kumju he 2 months 3 months jinjar he pada tang gatui gade bangi pulingi la hard work ni passionate ni tip ka goal jo ni de yung ni bo ka aim ha life ta kata chara makatoi ni pa shakma
Kalau ketap je pelut po kan kat.
ngamdan exactly kat kenta ma ka shong ha ka danga create da kamon janga danga pelek jengmut bhag kadai ka ima ma yung ngam dabo kenta man create kat reng ka por bang ka bangala bhaban ka street ka shong puli ka penrum bha ka rum bait ka mga puli ma
Kaya chai musim ko jupi ki pati na.
makin give the 100%, makin trust God, makin buy tadi makin buat tank, makin work hard, give the 100%, when give up.